The basics of what you need to know before selling a rental property. Before you need to prepare your property for the sale. This actually includes making any necessary repairs and upgrades, cleaning the property and staging to appeal potential buyers. It is important to be transparent with potential buyers and disclose any known issues with the property, and also provide a record of your rental income and expenses. If you have tenants living in the property, it is important to follow local laws and regulations to legally end their tenancy before the sale can actually go through. It is also important to carefully review the sales contract and understand the terms and conditions. Be sure to be working with a real estate attorney, realtor, and a legal advisor if you need any help interpreting the contract. Lastly, but most important, work with a real estate professional with experience in selling rental properties. They can guide you through the process, provide market insights, and help you set the right price for your property. Remember, selling a rental property is not the same as selling a traditional home. Be sure to be working with a professional and be prepared for any additional steps involved with the rental property. With also the right preparation and guidance, you can actually navigate through the process and close a deal successfully. Give me a call at 403-978-7332 if you have any more questions about selling your rental property.